Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to view saved passwords on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down to the bottom and find the tab called Passwords on the home page. Now we turn it on. We'll have Face ID, or we'll need to enter a password. Then we'll have different sites, apps, saved passwords. If we want to find something, we go in and write with you, let's say Instagram. We find the password for Instagram. So I have one account, second, third, fourth, fifth. Let's say I want this account. I click on it. It comes up with the name of the account and then password at the bottom. When I click on the password, it will pop up. We can also choose another social network. Let's say we write Facebook. Find this number, let's say Facebook. Go here. Here is our account. Click on password and we can see our password from our Facebook profile. You can do this with any application and any website. All these passwords are saved here. Go to Settings and there is a Passwords tab. If you help them like this video, you can put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.